Move it, Einstein. I got a hot dog situation.
This microwave is reserved from 7:15 to 7:24 T warming. It's 7:17.
And at 7:17 I get fed like a man. Step aside.
Microwaving for hot dogs is not being a man, it's dietary negligence.
Can we not start a nuclear event before I finish my coffee?
Friendship variable number 1. Non-hostile engagement. Promising.
The microwave's dead. Again.
Unplugged it. PNG and Azawad nearly melted a plate.
Microwave crime is not a thing.
It is now, and I'm the sheriff.
What are these?
Snack. Olive branch. Peace offering.
Acceptable terms.
New rule. Microwave can only be used under adult supervision.
I'm a teen. That counts.
Incorrect. Maturity is not measured in facial hair and hot dog consumption.
Maybe we just cook like normal people.
That's crazy talk.
Gluten-free, socially acceptable, possibly a bribe. Conclusion. Human connection resists control, but sometimes snacks help.